day. My name is Amanda Swanepoel, and the theme for today is From FOMO to JOMO. Today we are having sanity-saving fun with the alphabet. Let's be honest, most of us have said yes to a social event or a business meeting, not because we wanted to, but because we didn't want to miss out. That is FOMO, the fear of missing out. What if something important is happening and I'm not there? When your colleagues went to a conference and they came back with ideas and connections, and now you're thinking, should I have gone to? Was that the event that I missed? FOMO lives in our inboxes, it lives in our calendars, and yes, it even lives in Zoom rooms. While we are talking about the fear of missing out, I just want to touch on the acronym that we hear frequently about fear. Fear is false expectations appearing real. So we know, be warned. Fear reminds me of the FOGO that was around in COVID times, the fear of going out. Just a little bit of fun added. Now, going from FOMO, we also look at FOMO's cousin, MOMO. That is the mystery of missing out. Wait, what meeting? Should I have been there? Momo doesn't even know what was missed, but assume that it was big. It feeds off half information and halfway hints. So, entering reality, we go to a third one, and that is ROMO, the reality of missing out. So, the truth is, you will miss things. You have to. You can't be in every meeting. You can't attend every event. You can't join each and every project. Romo is saying, I choose what to miss so that I can give my best to what I choose. You can't do it all. And a reminder, you are not supposed to. Sometimes we are not afraid of missing out. We are afraid of joining in. That is our fifth acronym, that is FOJI. FOJI is the fear of joining in, and it happens when you're invited to speak up in a meeting or to contribute to a new initiative, and your first instinct is, what if I say something wrong? FOJI boils down to self-doubt. The world does not need perfect people. It needs real people, people who truly contribute. Now, the sixth fun one that I want to share with you is FOMO. That is the fear, but now it's spelled with the U at the end. So it's FOMO, if I can say it like that. The fear of messing up. You've been asked to lead a project and FOMO kicks in. What if I drop the ball? And what if I don't get it right? Here's the truth. You grow by stretching. Nobody gets promoted by playing it safe forever. So FOMO shrinks your world. Every brilliant leader has actually made some floppy and they still kept on going. So if I try, I might fail. If I don't, I will definitely not grow. That brings us to the turning point. The seventh one is FOMO, the peace of missing out. FOMO is when you decline the extra call, the fourth follow-up meeting, or the quick coffee that is never quick. Not out of disinterest, but out of wisdom. FOMO is what happens when you project your energy so that you can focus on your actual priorities. Missing out isn't failure, it is focus. And finally, the crown jewel, JOMO, joy of missing out. JOMO is when you say no and you feel good about it. It's when you skip the noise and realize you didn't miss anything at all. You gained clarity. JOMO is when you stop chasing every opportunity and you start choosing the right ones. In work, in life, in everything, joy doesn't come from saying yes to everything. It comes from saying yes to what matters most. In conclusion, JOMO connects amazing with the great Bright Star theme on knowing, understanding, and living your life purpose. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to be where it matters.